Welcome to Tina Tries. Can a 3D printer recreate the World Cup? Or is this a red card waiting to happen? This eye-catching replica is surprisingly easy to print. Find out how to make your very own next on Tina Tries. This file is by Chung Go and can be found on MakerWorld. This was printed on an H2C in gold silk and green PLA. It took just over 12 hours to print and used about 266 grams of filament. You don't need any other materials for this project. Let's check out the build. Here are the printed pieces. There is no build. Here is the finished World Cup replica. This printed beautifully, and there are so many little details that came out so well on this design. There are these nice little waves on the oceans and all of the little bricks printed out well. There is one seam on the side here, but other than that, this printed beautifully. Here are my rankings for this project. Ease of printing. This one gets a 10. This file does require an AMS unless you want to do a little bit of painting and add the green stripes. There are files for several different sizes of this trophy, including keychains, so you can print whichever size works best for you. I used the 25 centimeter file and scaled it up to 109%, which was the maximum height for my printer. I don't recommend printing the full-size 36 centimeter file because it prints in two pieces. So when you assemble it, there will be a seam around the middle of your trophy. But if you're okay with that, go ahead and print the full-size one. The supports for this are built right into the file, so you don't need to change any of the print settings. And I had no issues with printing this. Ease of assembly. This one gets a 10. There is no assembly. It doesn't get any easier than that. However, if you do print the full-size version, the bottom half of the trophy prints with little pegs on the top of it so that you can easily align the two pieces when gluing them together. On a side note, having the World Cup here at Gillette Stadium has been really fun to watch. The Scottish Tartan Army took over Boston for the last couple of weeks, and I have thoroughly enjoyed seeing all of the shenanigans that have been going on in Boston. They drank the Sam Adams tap room dry. They drank an entire liquor store completely out of alcohol one weekend. They keep putting little cones on all of the heads of the statues. It just overall has been a really fun atmosphere around here. It has been really fun to watch, and I love how this is bringing different people from all over the world together. That's going to do it for this episode. If you enjoyed this, please consider liking, sharing, hyping, and subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new episodes. I now have memberships active if you want to show your support and help keep the channel going. I would very much appreciate it. If you do end up printing the full-size version of the trophy, please share your pictures in the comment section below and let me know which of the teams you're supporting in the World Cup this year. My next video will be a basketball reaction, so hopefully you come back for that. And I will see you on the next one.